Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Artisan Cutlery Virginia liner lock. This one is in green. We have other colors as well, but there you have it. Overall length is 8.875 inches and the blade length is 3.875 inches of D2 steel. And this one has drop point or spear point blade shape on it. And so the handles are 5 inches in length and they have green G10 on this one, but other colors are available, like I said. And you have stainless steel liners in there. And it is a liner lock, I forgot to mention that, but there you go. You can see the lockup is nice and secure. And the pocket clip is for tip-up right-handed carry, and it looks like it is a deep carry pocket clip, which is always a nice consideration when companies do that for you. And it is two-way reversible. You can have it on the left side as well for tip-up for tip-up right or left-handed carry. And the weight is 4.82 ounces, and here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. So it is not a small knife. But there you have it, guys. This is the Artisan Cutlery Virginia liner lock. Go ahead and check it out and buy it at bladehq.com.